Hello everyone, welcome to the product demo of Meteor. I'll be walking you through the dashboard and making your first payment using Meteor. Here we are on the landing page where you are prompted to enter the mobile number with which you have registered to Mute. I'll go ahead and enter one of the registered mobile numbers that we have. After that, I'll press on Get OTP. I'll also be prompted to do a captcha check to prove that I'm not a robot, post which the OTP would be sent to the mobile number that I have input. So I'll quickly enter the OTP, post which pressing on login would take me to my dashboard homepage. And here we are. You can see that the homepage has been kept pretty sleek and only the important information has been kept here. On the top left you can see the total balance of your account. You can also see the amount of spend that you have done in the current month, followed by your account details, that is the account number and IFSC code. We have a recent transaction table in the center of the homepage, which tells you the details of all the transfers that you have done through Meteor. You can see the name of the counterparty, the amount that you have used to transfer, the bank details of the counterparty, followed by the date, time, and the mode of payment. Scrolling down, we have a feedback box where we would encourage you to send us constructive feedback so that we can improve the product experience for you. If you really like the experience, we would also encourage you to refer a fellow startup by telling us their mobile number and email ID, and we'll reach out to them. On the left hand side of the navigation bar, you see that there are three buttons. The first one is the home button, where we are right now. The second one is a transfer button, with which you can go to the transfer page and make payments to whoever you want to. And the third one is a logout button. Now let's try and make our first transfer through Meteor. I'll press on the transfer button and I'll reach the transfer page where I'll be asked to enter either the account number or the UPI ID of the counterparty. For the purpose of this demo, we are going ahead with an account number transfer, so I'll quickly enter the account number that I want to make the payment to, followed by the IFSC code of the counterparty. Once I have entered both the details, I can press next. A thing to note here is that we automatically fetch the bank branch based on the IFSC code. This is an added layer of check that you can do while making the payments. Moving on to the amount, I'll enter whatever amount I want to make a payment for. Let's say I want to make a payment of 3 rupees, and I'll enter the amount and press on a super fast transfer. It'll take a second and it'll throw a prompt or success message which you just saw, saying that a payment was successfully made to Mr. Dipanshu in this case, which was again fetched from the account details that you entered, and it also will show you your available balance. You can keep making transfers like this from the transfer page, and when you're done you can also go back to the home page and it will have the updated total balance as well as the updated current month spent, and you'll see that transfer in the transaction history table. So that's pretty much it about making your first transfer. And once you're done doing the transactions and analyzing your spends, you can press on the logout button to come out of the portal and you'll again reach the landing page. Hope you liked the demo. Thanks a lot.